Hey everyone, if you are an interior designer and wondering why I'm not getting consistent clients or why do leads just stop responding, this video is for you. The truth is, it's not always about how good your design is. It's often about the system that you're using in your business. So most designers I talk to, they rely on references, Instagram reels, or one-time efforts. And while those things can help, but they are not a business strategy. So today let's talk about three steps you're probably missing and how it's costing you in 2025. Number one is generate leads daily. So let's start with the obvious one, lead generation. No leads, no clients, no growth. The biggest mistake I see designers waiting for someone to refer them, waiting for a random Instagram DM, waiting for one reel to go viral and change everything. And let me be real with you. Waiting is not a strategy. You need to be actively generate leads every single day. That doesn't mean that you need to be an camera on 24/7, but it does mean that running ads on Meta, posting valuable content consistently, reaching out to potential clients, showcasing before and after transformations, talking about budgets, timelines, and processes. Now, here's a framework I give all my clients. Just focus on one qualified lead per day. That's 30 leads a month. Even if only 15 are solid, you could easily close 3 to 5 clients from that. And that's how real businesses grow through predictable pipelines. What this gives you consistent flow of inquiries, filters out low intent people, builds trust with your audience, gives you the power to charge better prices because when clients see you are booked out and in demand, the dynamic shifts. So now let's say you are getting leads. Most interior designers mess up here. They don't have a system to follow, and here's why that matters. A lead is hot within the first hour. Between 1 to 24 hours, it becomes lukewarm. After 24 hours, they become cold. So, what are you doing after a lead comes in? That is what matters. And here's what we suggest to our clients, call them within 30 to 60 minutes. If they don't pick up a call, drop a WhatsApp message with your portfolio, follow up 3 to 4 times over the next few days, and have a clear message, not a random, hi, are you looking for design? If you're calling without a script, without any structure, you're losing people right on the call. You need to sound confident, clear, and helpful. And if a lead doesn't respond after 3 to 4 attempts, disqualify them. You are not here to chase, you are here to work with serious people. Now, number three is, let's say you have followed up and now you have got someone on a call. What do most designers do next? They say, what's your budget? What style do you like? Then they send you a quotation and then they get ghosted. Why? Because you are acting and sounding like everyone else and you are acting like an order taker, not a professional. Clients don't want choices, they want clarity. And here's a better way, what I call the new way in 2025. So start with a discovery call. Ask deep questions, emotional questions, like why do you need to redesign this space? What does your ideal home feel like? Talk about timelines, budgets, and expectations, and only then give them a package or proposal. And that small shift from what's your budget to let's explore what suits your needs, that builds trust. And that's what closes deals. And when you close 3 to 4 projects a month consistently, you are no longer hustling for random inquiries and you have got a real business. So, just to recap everything, the three things interior designers skip and what's probably costing you clients every single month: generate leads daily, don't wait, be proactive. Number two, follow up like a professional, fast, clear, and consistent. Number three, sell with structure. Be a guide, not just a code machine. So, if you fix these three things, you will stand out in market in 2025 because while others are still chasing likes, you will be closing clients. And if this helped, drop a comment and let me know which step you are working on, and I will see you on